How to put strokes on your text. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you're going to write a text over here. So for text, you're going to go to text option and put the text over here, and you can increase the text size to whatever you want. Let's say I'm increasing it to over here. And now in this text option, I'm going to select this text and copy this and write FDRS, because I'm going to transform this text and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So this is a bigger text now. I can just put it right in the center or whatever I want. I can transform it by clicking on transform. As I transform it, I should take it to the middle. Now in order to make strokes of this, there are two different kinds of options. So if I want to make the strokes made by the Photoshop, so I have to select this layer. As I selected this layer, I have to go to the blending option. As I go to the blending option, then there is an option of strokes. I have to click on strokes. I can make a strokes of any color with any gradient on it, and it can be outside or inside or in the center. Strokes can be anywhere. Its blending option should be normal or whatever. It can be gradient or color or even pattern or whatever I want. So I'm going with the gradient option. I can also change the colors. I'm going to the blues. In the blues, I can select whatever color I want. So this is how I can put shadows or strokes on my text in the Photoshop. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.